All right, welcome back. So after laying the part, we are going to layer the piano. So we come again to our channel rack, and since we are not using this again, we can replace it. Okay, if you right click, come replace, move plugins. So we replace this with launch lizard. I have a Rhodes. So long LO. Okay, we have a Rhodes that we can use here. All right. So this is how a Rhodes sound. So uh, we can just play a basic Rhodes here. Now also we can come here and then delete the previous thing we played. Delete the previous thing we played. Okay. So now we are starting afresh. Close that. Okay. Let's enable our MIDI keyboard to ensure it's okay. It's here. So all right, it's enabled. So now we create a pattern again. Call this pattern roots since it's a piano. Okay, it's an E piano roots. Okay, and all right. So we will layer our piano now. Let's go to the start of the song. Um, all right. So we go now. Let's record and play. All right, that's that. That's that. Um, let's listen to that. All right, that's cool. All right, we can also copy this and paste here. All right, again we can rename it as Rhodes. Rhodes. Sorry, Rhodes. All right, we can color it as well. Let's make it here. All right. So again, let's consolidate. We can consolidate this track from song start. All right. So again, we can delete this. even just the recording. So let's play this. Let's play what we did. Okay. Alright, so once in our next video we are going to try to see what we can add to this to make it sound nicer. Already it's sounding cool now, but let's see how we can make it better than this.